So we are discussing overheads. Just understand. See, if a company is producing four products, product A, product B, product C, and product D, so there will be direct material, direct labor will be there. Okay, which will be related to each products. Okay, we know that because direct expense means it will be related to the product directly. Okay, suppose product A is, let us say, furniture. Okay. So direct material related to furniture will be what? Plywood. Okay. So its cost will come here in furniture section. Okay. If second product is textile, this company is having four products now. Just we have understood. For example, for textile, direct material will be what? Cotton, silks, etc. Okay. Okay. So let us assume some other two products are also there. If it is producing soap, also then material related to soap will be coming here in direct material section of soap product. Okay. And one more product it is producing. So direct material means what? Those material which is most important for that product. Okay. So direct material means what? Which the material which is most required for making that product. Most important. Similarly, direct labor means what? In furniture section, those labor who are directly working on this furniture, they will come under this section. Similarly, in textile, soap, and other product. So direct material and direct labor is directly related to each product specifically. So we can say that labor A is working for furniture. So his cost will come in furniture section. Understood. Labor PQR is working in textile. So we can put his cost in textile section. Understood. So such costs which are directly related to each product will be called as direct cost. Understood. Now, these two are the important costs. Direct material and direct labor are very important. Now, understand there will be other common expenditure also. Okay, like office. Office will be the office will be common for all the product. There will be no separate office for each product. So office expenses you can call it as common expense. Okay. Then sales expenditure. So these all will be related to all the product A, product B, product C. These are all common expenses. So we cannot directly allocate the cost to each product. So such expenditure are known as overheads. Okay. Okay. So such expenditure are known as overheads. Those common expenditure which will be related to all the product. But we will have to allocate some cost, apportion some cost to these products. That is known as apportionment of overheads or charging of overheads, you can say. Apportionment or charging of overheads. Apportionment of overhead means, suppose let us understand office expenditure is 10 lakh rupees during the year. So this is a common expenditure for all the four products. Okay, because office will be only one for all the products. All paperwork, accounting work will be done in the office section, which will be common for all the four products. Correct. So this 10 lakh rupees will be related to all the products, but we cannot say that with perfection. We cannot say that 5 lakh is for A or this much amount is for B. For that, we will use some technique and allocate this 10 lakhs to each product. Okay, based on different methods or basis. That is known as apportionment of overheads. Write and keep. Apportioning of overhead means charging of overheads to product. Apportionment of overhead means what? Charging of overheads to product. Okay, so overhead means indirect expenditure, or you can say common expenditure, which will be related to more than one product. Okay, and apportioning overhead means charging overheads to products. Okay, so this much understood, everybody? Clear? What is apportioning of overheads? Okay, the method of absorbing, that is charging overheads to various products. We know that overhead means what? Common expenditure. Overhead means what? Common expenditure. So we will have to charge this common expenditure to different products. No? Otherwise, what will happen? Proper cost will not be derived and pricing will be difficult. We know that main purpose or basic purpose of cost accounting is to do the arrive at the cost of the product and price of the product. So if you will not charge the common expenditure, what will happen? We will end up deriving wrong cost. No? For example, let us say two products are there, product A and product B. Two products are there. A company is producing two products, product A and product B. Let us take product A is furniture and product B is textile. So direct material for furniture, let us assume, is 5 lakh rupees during the year. Okay, and for textile, it is 7 lakh. Okay, we know that direct material will be different, separate for both the products. It is directly related. For furniture, it will be plywood, etc. And for textile, it will be cotton, silk, etc. And labor working on furniture will come under direct labor for furniture. Let us assume it is 8 lakh during the year. Okay. And textile, let us assume it is 10 lakhs. Okay. Now, these are the two direct costs which we have easily charged to both the products based on the records available with the company. Now, there will be other common expenses also. We have seen. Okay. For simplicity, let us assume that two common expenses are there. One is the office expenses. Okay, because office will be same for both the products. No? Accountant will be same for both the products. No? We will do accounting for product A also and product B also. So let us say office expense during the year is 3,50,000 for simplicity purpose. Okay, this is common expenses. These are known as overheads in technical term. You can say these are overheads means common expenditure or indirect expenses. And let us assume that salesman's expenditure is 2 lakh rupees during the year. So these are common expenses. Okay, and company has produced 2,000 furniture, manufactured 2,000 chairs, let us assume. Okay, during the year. And textile unit, let us assume it has produced 10,000 clothes during the year. For simplicity, we are assuming this example. Now, very important question is that we will have to decide the price to sell the product. Okay. Now, 2,000 units is 2,000 chairs are produced by furniture section, and 10,000 textile garment is produced by a unit is manufactured by textile unit. Now, what you will do? Suppose you add this both cost for furniture section. It will come to how much? 5 lakh plus 8 lakh. 5 lakh plus 8 lakh will be 13 lakhs. Clear? And 7 lakh plus 10 lakh will be 17 lakhs. Okay. And a number of unit produces 2000. So if you will divide by 2000, you will get per unit cost. Here, if you will divide by 10,000, you will get the per unit cost. And based on this, if you will decide the price of the product, it will be wrong. Why? Because there are common expense also. You have to recover these costs also from customers. So these common expenses, how you will charge to these products, that is known as absorbing overheads. That is known as absorbing overheads to product or charging overheads. Okay, understood what is absorbing overhead or charging overhead? Because if you will consider only direct expenses and decide the price of the product, it will be wrong. Then your this common expenditure will not be recovered and you will incur loss. So these common expenditure should also be charged to the product. Both the products it should be charged. How you will charge that product? That is known as absorbing overheads to the products. Clear? Understood everybody? What is absorbing overheads? You can note this example if you want. Then we absorbing overhead means what? Charging overhead to products or jobs. Note everybody. Absorbing overhead means charging overheads to various products and jobs. Okay, now we have understood why we have to absorb the overhead or charge the overhead to the product. Because to get the correct pricing of the product, to calculate the correct cost and subsequently calculate the correct price of the product. Here. Now, second question will be how to charge, how to absorb overheads to different products. Okay, for that there are various methods for absorbing overhead to product or cost, a job. Okay, overhead means what? Common expenditure. We have to use some method to charge the overhead to each product individually. Unlike direct expenses, we cannot directly charge overhead to the product. Okay, like dark material, we can say that this material is used for furniture section. This material is used for textile section. Okay, like that we cannot say that this much office person has worked for textile section, this much has worked for furniture section. Because he will sit in office and do accounting. We cannot tell with accuracy that this much has been done for furniture, this much has been done for textile. Okay. In that material, we can say this material is for furniture, this material is for textile. This labor has worked for furniture, this labor has worked for textile. But we cannot say that office person has this much worked for furniture, this much worked for textile unit, etc. It is not possible. So there should be some formula for absorbing. Absorbing means what? Charging overheads to what? To products. Okay. So what are the methods? Everybody write down. First method is percentage of direct materials. Okay. Second method is percentage of prime cost. Third is percentage of direct labor. Labor hour rate, machine hour rate, and rate per unit of output. We will discuss all this method in detail. Just first note down the method. First method, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. The total 6 methods are there: percentage of direct material, percentage of prime cost, percentage of direct labor, cost, labor hour rate, machine hour rate, and rate per unit of output. So we can use any of these methods to charge the indirect cost or common cost to the product. Okay, so everybody note down these methods first. percentage of direct material, percentage of direct labor cost, percentage of prime cost, labor hour rate, machine hour rate, and rate per unit of output. These are the 6 different methods for absorption of overhead to product. So you can use any method, combination of any method. Everybody comfortable this much? First method for absorbing overhead is percentage of direct material cost. This is the first method for absorbing overheads. So under this method, how we will calculate the overhead rate? Write the formula: total production overhead divided by budgeted direct material cost into 100. So we'll calculate the overhead rate in direct percentage of direct material cost method. Total production overhead we will take. Okay. What is the total indirect expenditure production overhead divided by direct material cost, budgeted direct material cost of all products. Based on that, we will allocate charge the overhead to each product. So illustration also will take how to do this. So just note down, give the heading percentage of direct material cost. Formula under this method is overhead rate is equal to total production overhead divided by budgeted direct material cost of all product into 100. Percentage of direct material cost formula will be total production overhead of a department divided by budgeted direct material cost of all products. Okay. So percentage of direct material cost formula is total production overhead of a department divided by budgeted direct material cost of all product into 100. Okay, so we are stopping here today. We'll continue in detail with illustration in the next class.